Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to showcase my final purchases of 2022. Now for those of you that watched my video yesterday, you'll see that I picked up a best price sovereign from Atkinson and that arrived yesterday. So this is my final allocation of gold for the year 2022. And now these two pieces that arrived today are my final silver allocations. So let's get straight into them. So as you can see, this first one is from Shards. They've included a little festive candy stick in there. That's a nice touch. And you can see I've got some coin capsules there, the invoice and a business card there, and then I've gone and got myself another 5 2023 Silver Britannias. Really nicely packaged, all individually packaged with capsules on. I paid slightly extra for them to arrive in capsules to protect them. 2023. Like I said, I've been collecting these because I think they're going to hold a premium in the future, as they're going to be the only year that's got the Queen and the King on them, when the King's head is released on these next year. So another 5 of those for the stack. Now in the next envelope, we have a Volcambi Swiss combi bar. Now this is my first combi bar. They do hold quite a premium, but I think they are gorgeous looking pieces. Like I said, I haven't actually held one of these in the hand before. I've seen videos of them, I've seen them online. Absolutely gorgeous pieces of silver. Now every single one of these are 1 gram of silver. So, and you can see on there it says 100 times 1 grams, weight is 100 grams, 999 fine silver, and it shows you on there how to snap them off. Now, like I said, these hold quite a premium, and the reason I picked these up is in the future, in case silver prices shoot up, it's nice to have some smaller denominations of silver. Now, some people might think these are a waste of money because the premium's quite high. But like I said, for me personally, I haven't got any fractional silver this low. And you never know, in 20, 30 years, if silver shoots up, it is nice to be able to break it down. If you just got 1 kilogram bars of silver, for example, in your stack, and silver spot price shoots up, you haven't got the option just to sell part of your stack if you're heavily invested in big silver bars. And this is just kind of the other end. This is the other extreme. Like I said, each one of these is 1 gram of silver. Really cool looking piece. 100 in total, like I said. Just really nice presentation as well. Just looks really cool. Really nice in the hand. Nice size as well. So that is my final silver purchase for 2022. And like I said, as you saw yesterday, you've seen that I've got the sovereign there also. So that is me done now for 2022. I'll be interested to hear in the comment section below what your final pickups are of 2022. And also I'll be interested to hear your goals for 2023. Now for me, I haven't actually set any goals in terms of ounces. I'm just going to be picking up gold and silver as and when I see good deals and when I've got spare cash. So as always, thanks very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.